Today I am reviewing the Skytech Shiva gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming PC for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're looking for a powerhouse gaming PC that offers incredible performance, cutting-edge cooling, and stunning aesthetics, all without breaking the bank, then the Skytech Shiva gaming PC desktop might just be the perfect choice for your 2025 setup. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the Intel Core i5-14400F processor. This 14th Gen chip runs at a base clock of 2.5 GHz and boosts up to an impressive 4.7 GHz, delivering fast, responsive computing for both gaming and productivity. Whether you're multitasking, editing, streaming, or deep into competitive play, this CPU holds its ground without missing a beat. Paired with that is the real star of the show, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super with 12 GB of blazing fast GDDR6X VRAM. The 4070 Super is a monster at 1440p gaming. Expect ultra settings in demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, Warzone, and even upcoming blockbusters like Black Myth, Wukong, or Dragon's Dogma 2. Ray tracing, DLSS 3, and frame generation technologies ensure that you're not just playing the game. You're experiencing it in cinematic quality with high FPS. Next, let's talk memory and storage. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,200 MHz, you're set for seamless multitasking, fast application switching, and zero stuttering in intensive workloads. Whether you're running Discord, OBS, multiple Chrome tabs, or a heavy mod pack in Minecraft, this PC handles it all with ease. And the 2TB NVMe SSD isn't just huge, it's insanely fast. Boot times are nearly instant. Games load in seconds, and large file transfers practically blink and it's done fast. It's up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives, making every task feel snappy and smooth. But power is nothing without cooling, and Skytech delivers. The Shiva comes pre-installed with a 240mm AIO Liquid Cooler with addressable RGB fans. This isn't just for looks, it's a functional cooling powerhouse that keeps temperatures low and performance high, even during extended gaming sessions. No thermal throttling, no noisy fans spinning out of control. Just cool, quiet, consistent performance. Let's talk case and design. The Shiva ATX mid-tower case in white with tempered glass side panel doesn't just look gorgeous. It's well ventilated, solidly built, and features plenty of airflow with customizable RGB fans. Whether you're showcasing a rig on stream or lighting up your room with synced RGB, it's a head-turner for sure. Connectivity is solid too. You've got USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, Wi-Fi built in, HD audio and mic ports, and display outputs including HDMI and DisplayPort. Plus, you get a free RGB gaming keyboard and mouse in the box, a nice touch to get you started right out of the gate. And the best part? There's no bloatware. Just clean Windows 11 Home ready to game. Add in a 650-watt gold-rated PSU for reliable power delivery, assembly in the USA, a 1-year warranty, and free lifetime technical support, and you're looking at an all-around incredible value. So, who is this PC for? It's for gamers who want uncompromising 1440p performance, for content creators who need fast storage and powerful multitasking, for streamers who want to play and broadcast without drops in quality, and for anyone looking to future-proof their gaming experience into 2025 and beyond. To sum it up, the Skytech Shiva gaming PC with an i5-14400F, RTX 4070 Super, 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, and 2 TB of blazing fast storage hits the sweet spot for performance, aesthetics, and price. It's a system that's built not just to play games, but to dominate them.